Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Jamaican brown stewed chicken. For our ingredients we have chicken thighs, brown sugar, browning, garlic powder, salt, paprika, onion powder, dried thyme or fresh thyme, black pepper, allspice, onion, spring onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic clove, fresh ginger, ketchup, chicken broth, and water. You want to add all these ingredients to your chicken. Brown sugar, browning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, dried thyme, black pepper, allspice, your green onions and your onions, your red pepper, your Scotch bonnet, your garlic cloves, and your ginger to a bowl and mix. You want to rub in your seasonings into the chicken. You want to cover and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or overnight. You want to remove your chicken from the refrigerator. You want to remove your peppers, your onions, your garlic, your ginger, your thyme from the chicken and set aside. You want to heat your oil in a large skillet pan over medium heat. You want to add in your chicken. You want to brown for 1 to 2 minutes per side. You want to remove your chicken and add the reserved onions and peppers to the skillet and saute until softened for about 5 minutes. You want to add your chicken back to the skillet along with your chicken broth and your water and your ketchup. You want to bring your mixture to a simmer and cover for at least 30 minutes. You want to stir occasionally. Once your 30 minutes is up, you can remove your cover and simmer for an additional 10 minutes to reduce the gravy and serve and enjoy. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.